Asahikawa, Hokkaido. Amid the great outdoors and blessed by the forest, man and trees coexist. Living with trees for generations, here in Asahikawa.
木のぬくもりを感じられるものづくりということで、木そのものの色の違いだったり木目を生かした商品作りということで着色はせず、木そのものの本来の色を生かしたものづくりということを心がけてやっております。
No colors are added. Naturally, the products are safe and must also be beautiful. Nothing is more beautiful than the natural colors of wood. In a merger of machinery and handicraft, the rough processing of lumber by machine, details and finesse rendered by hand. Machines alone can make good items, but the multi-layered detail created by artisans makes a difference in the finished product. Seasoned skills handed down for generations. The uncompromising discipline of craftsmen revived the gentle warmth of wood, aiming to bring joy, comfort, and elation to people throughout the world through their products.